Jai Srimannarayana. 7th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yastvindriyani manasa niyamya arabhate arjuna कर्मेन्द्रियैहि कर्मयोगम् असक्तः सविशिष्यते। Om. Control your sense organs. With that, a huge quantity of energy gets stored up. Then use that energy in accordance with the scriptural teachings to attain your ultimate goal. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that everyone should surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall try to control my sense organs, and with that, whatever the energy is stored up, I will use that in a proper way in accordance with the scriptural teachings to attain my ultimate goal. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Sagara's sons, while thinking that their horse was abducted by Devendra, they could not pay attention to Kapila Mahamuni. In the process, they ended up insulting Kapila Mahamuni. And because of Kapila Mahamuni's great amount of glow, they got destroyed, they got burnt. So if we do any wrong things towards elderly people, it is not that their anger will destroy us, but the wrong thing itself, that apacharam itself destroys us." Here, Kapila Mahamuni's anger destroyed, saying like that is not right. Kapila Mahamuni कथं तमो रोषमयं विभाव्यते जगत् पवित्र आत्मनि खे रजो भुवः. Kapila Mahamuni is an embodiment of gentleness. There is no way that any anger could rise from his body. It is like the dust is on the earth. There is no chance dust will be in the space. Whereas if we press the dust on the earth, that will rise up and go to the sky and makes us feel that there is dust in the sky. So also it feels like elderly people's anger destroyed us. No, but it is the wrongness that we do towards the enlightened people that itself destroys us. Anyway, Kapila Mahamuni is such a great yogi. He gave us Sankhya Shastram, in which Tattvajnanam is disclosed. That Tattvajnanam helps all those who are in the cycle of birth and death relieve from this cycle. So such a great Kapila Mahamuni would never have a thinking that I am different, others are different. So that is why it is not right to say that Kapila Mahamuni destroyed Sagara's sons. The wrongness, Sagara's sons, what they did, itself destroyed them. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 7th sloka. Yastvindriyani manasa niyamyarabhaterjuna karmendriyaih karmayogam asaktasya visishyate. Yastvindriyani manasa niyamyarabhaterjuna karmendriyaih karmayogam asaktasya visishyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.